Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Muslim Playlist. Did you know the all-time NBA scoring leader was Muslim? If yes, comment down your favorite Muslim basketball player. If your answer is no, don't worry. Let's get back to the video. Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, the greatest of his era. Kareem was born to devout Catholic parents in New York City and reverted to Islam at the age of 24 in 1971, shortly after leading the Milwaukee Bucks to their first ever NBA championship. He legally changed his name to Kareem Abdul Jabbar, meaning Noble One, Servant of the Almighty. His accomplishments are staggering: 6-time NBA MVP, 19 times All Star, 15 times All NBA team selection, 11 times All Defensive Team, 6 times NBA champion, and 2 times Final MVP. He is most famous of his skyhook, a shot described as virtually indefensible. ESPN named him the all-time best center and the second greatest NBA player in the history behind Michael Jordan. At the time of his conversion, Abdul Jabbar was one of the few high-profile athletes to be vocal about his Islamic faith. Hakeem Olajuwon, Nigeria gift to the NBA. Hakeem Abdul Olajuwon was born in Lagos, Nigeria on January 21, 1963. He played for the Houston Rockets and Toronto Raptors for the majority of his career. The Rockets won back-to-back NBA championship in 1994 to 1995 under him. Hakeem entered the FIBA Hall of the Fame in 2016 and Naismith Memorial Basketball Hall of Fame in 2018. Olajuwon studied the Quran every day, even on the way to matches. He fasted during Ramadan and said he actually felt he played better when fasting. And he won the Player of the Season in 1998, which fell during Ramadan that year. In 1996, he was suspended for refusing to stand for national anthem, stating, "You can't be for God and oppression." Kyrie Irving, the ball handling mystery. Kyrie Irving holds dual Australia and America citizenship and play in the NBA. He earned Rookie of the Year after being selected first overall by the Cleveland Cavaliers in 2011. He has 8 All-Star appearances and won an NBA championship with the Cavaliers in 2016. Irving is widely regarded as one of the most exponential ball handler in basketball history. In early 2021, Kyrie Irving reportedly reverted to Islam. Speculation arose when he made a kneeling gesture before a game resembling to Islamic prayer. Notably, Irving has fasted during Ramadan while playing in the NBA. Jaylen Brown, the 300 million man. Jaylen Brown, the Boston Celtics forward, made a basketball history by signing a record-breaking 5-year, $300 million contract extension, the most lucrative in NBA history at that time. Known for his versatility, scoring, and defensive prowess, Brown has been instrumental in the Celtics' success since being drafted in 2016. In the 2022 NBA playoff, Jaylen Brown publicly disclosed that he was fasting for Ramadan while competing at the highest level of basketball. Tariq Abdul Wahad. Tariq Abdul Wahad, originally known as Oliver Michael Saint Jean, in a French basketball coach and retired player during his college years. He played at Michigan and St. Joe State. He became the first French-born player drafted in the first round of the NBA draft and was outspoken about his faith throughout his career. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this video and comment down below your favorite basketball player which I missed in this video, or maybe you can suggest more basketball player that deserved in this video and they deserve their legacy to be heard about the Muslim community. Thanks for watching. Till then, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.